last time he did the adventure in half part of the woods. So we're in the car. Can we get the phone jump? Can we listen to songs on the phone?
No, we down the street from the house.
Okay.
We're close to our house. And door is. Did she just sit with
She said crashing down.
Before that, she said.
No.
My house is very little.
So we will be back at home in a little while.
I was in front of y'all. I made it before y'all.
So what, Jada? May I get my water? Whatever one it is.
Mine, you didn't drink enough.
Yes, I did.
I drank a lot of it.
She said we'll be back every time. Is this one yours?
Yeah. Can I
Is
get
this one mine?
Go ahead and give everybody their orders,
I already
please.
have mine.
Alright,
That
guys.
was a long walk. Yeah.
Yep.
How much
no
miles did we
short.
walk?
We walked 2 miles.
Really? Why are your shoes off?
We took 4,800 steps.
Wow.
So if we walked that whole way 2 times, we would have took 10,000 steps. But we only did it 1 time, so we did half that.
Next time I'm gonna get ready. I'm walk around 2 times. I wasn't tired the whole time.
You did so good.
I know I
did really
didn't.
good.
I know I
I
didn't.
wasn't tired the whole time. I just went.
Everybody did good.
Oh. Yeah, I definitely need to wash up. I stink.
We all
So does
stink
my
like
armpits.
outside.
So does my
Can we get them
armpits.
back?
No, we all gonna jump in showers.
At least we got to wash up.
That's the only thing. I don't want to go to school dating like us. Like a rotten
That breath smells so good.
Man, I wish I could get it how it smells.
I know.
Instead of like letting it.
I know.
Instead of like letting it smell. Instead of like letting it smell like that. And then yeah. And then cook it, and then we gotta get the bread like that.
I know.
I wish we could get the bread how it smells.
Hot pockets for dinner.
Huh?
Hot pockets for dinner.
Oh, you can make what you
Hi
want.
guys. I didn't do a video.
Okay.
That was such a good walk.
I know.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
Yes, it was.
I like the tunnel part. That's the best part of the walk I like.
Yeah, the tunnel was fun.
Uh-huh. This time was
Some water fell on my tablet, but it was only 2 drops. I'm lucky.
lots of water falls on mine, and then I just took my tablet, wiped it on my shirt.
Did your video stop?
No.
No.
Everybody has their tablets, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, now my feet stopped hurting. As soon as I got in the car, my feet stopped hurting.
Alright, guys. We are at our house.
We're at our-
Wait a minute. Dorian got the same color house as us. Right?
Yeah.
All right, we are going inside. We are not staying outside to play.
I know.
Okay.
I don't even...
Everybody's
Mama.
windows is all the way up. Make sure.
Mama.
No.
What?
There's one thing I got to tell you.
What?
Why would you think we would want to go outside after that long walk?
I don't know. I'm just saying. They outside.
And our legs
When everybody like, oh, can we stay outside? No, it's time to go.
I don't even like playing with Lanaya.
All right, get out on
I don't
that
even
side.
like Lanaya.
So mean on the bus.
And is she acting all bossy and stuff?
She's telling everybody what to do. You don't
Ain't it? Like she told Nina and Jada that they can't sit beside me.
Because they said that this was the boys' side, we were sitting on the boys' side. Miss Patty made the girls' side, we made the boys' side. Who cares?
Ooh. Alright guys, back outside. Let's go. This is our car. Yellow. Beauty!
Wait, DJ.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, JJ.
We'll come back up first in the shower.
I'll
Run.
go first.
Run.
I don't even think I can. Okay, guys.
Mom, can I get in first?
What?
Who's first?
Jada, Nina, DJ.
Don't worry, DJ. Mom's getting
What is that right there?
a cigarette.
Who did that? What's up? DJ.
Alright, guys. Bye. Wait till the next video.